Say bye-bye, Ate. Bye-bye to Louie.
Bye-bye, Louie. See you later.
We'll see you later, okay? You be a good boy. We'll just drop Ate to school. We'll see you soon, okay? We'll just drop Ate. Bye-bye. 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 We'll see you soon, my love. Say bye-bye, Louie.
Bye.
Say bye, Louie.
He's sad.
I know. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. We'll see you soon. It's okay, Baba. We'll be back soon, okay? It's okay. Oh, umiiyak siya, guys. She's now a vlogger na to, guys. She's holding my other camera. Sabi niya, come back to your channel. We're going to school. Kinakausap niya yung sarili niya sa camera. Come on. Hey, look where you're going, anak. Look. You might fall. Good girl. Now the parents are going to school. Careful. Okay. Whoop. Alam niyo ba, that's my camera 8 years ago. Come on. Go. Sobrang tagal ng camera na yan, guys. I was very excited nung binili ko yan kasi that was the, you know, Michelle D era na yung photos nila ay sobrang ano, parang 360 ba? Ganun. Yes, Baba?
Remember? Yesterday I was playing with radar and we found caterpillars.
Mm-hmm.
That's it, they're still there.
Tignan niyo, nagkasalita siya.
Say cheese.
What are you vlogging, Lini?
Say
Anak, what are you vlogging about?
Say cheese.
Say cheese. I'll show you, babe. Like this. It's actually flip. See, the camera will flip like that. See yourself? See? Whoa! Say, welcome back to our channel.
Say cheese.
Kakadrop lang natin kay Ate Paris sa school. And sobrang laki na talaga ng ating Ate Paris, guys. Kasi alam niyo ba, pinapadrop lang niya ako sa gate. Tapos siya na yung pumapasok. Gusto niya ng ganun. So, super independent talaga ng Ate Paris natin. Ito siya. Say hi, anak. Bali. Punta kami sa Café. Makita eh. Then, dadalhin ko tong baby natin sa park para makapaglaro. Where's Daddy lang?
At the house.
The house? Are you sure?
No. Work.
Work? Daddy went to have breakfast with his friend Michael. Also Michael.
The
From
gym.
the gym?
No.
Now he went to have...
Coffee. Karen.
What is it, baby?
Let's go, Daddy.
Aww. He's down from Sydney. So, maaga siyang umalis kayo na kasi mag-breakfast daw sila. Yeah, you can sit there. You wanna sit there? Find somewhere. There. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Can I just have large hot chocolate? And one...
Thanks, Connor.
Toasted, please. Thank you. Anak, the other way around, like that. Yeah. Be careful, ha? Kaka-order lang namin, guys, ng hot chocolate and the almond croissant. Dito kami. Cotton coffee. Agad-agad man si Inday. It's crazy how time changes, yeah? So, yan siya before, bumibili kami ng hot chocolate, tapos nilalagyan ng marshmallow. Hindi yan niya kinakain. Yeah. Mama? Thank you, baby. Ayun, kinain niya. Careful, that's very hot, Baba. You have to wait for a second, okay? Blow, blow, blow. That's hot, honey, hot. Yeah, but it's hot. Yummy? Ngayon kumakain na siya ng marshmallow. Oh, we'll blow it? I'll give it a try, okay? Try? My turn?
I get when the but do you do?
We actually don't even
See? Like that, see? That's how you show. Good. Can you tell them you've got an almond croissant? Can you tell them you've got an almond croissant? Say almond? Croissant.
Good dance. Coffee.
A few moments later.
Hi. Mommy, I want to hi.
You wanna push me high? Okay. Thank you, Lainey. You're very strong. Thank you, lady. Oh. Yay!
Push again. Push again.
Again? Push again? Okay. Hi?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 14, 14,
Taka-taka lang ah.
14.
Sabi ko kay Lainey, go play another one before we go pick up Daddy. Sabi niya, no, I don't want to pick up Daddy. Lainey. We're downstairs now. Dinala namin si Louie dito for change of scenery. Hindi siya mabagot doon sa loob. He's been a really good boy. Pagkadating namin kanina, like he was just sitting near the front door, waiting. Yeah! So, ayan.
Louie, what are you walking?
Walking. Louie walking.
Louie, what is doing? What is doing walking?
Flying with you.
What is walking? What is
Hello. Good, thanks. Come on, Louie. Come on. Yes. Oh, I got something for us. Wanna grab it, honey? You grab it?
Michael?
Yes.
Paris.
Paris, yes. That's our big sister.
Oh, that's you.
Not this one.
Big sister's birthday.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
So this says 17. Sorry? I'm ignoring you. Sorry. Whose birthday?
Sorry, she's calling her auntie. It's like big sister in Filipino.
Ah. What are your name?
Lily.
Nini.
Go get it, Bradley.
You like this?
What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Stay here. Stay.
This one play. No.
Go get Louis. Come, Louis. Come. Good boy. Come. Sit. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Sit there. He did a poo-poo. Oh my goodness. Yeah, make sure that he's not stepping on it, honey. So, we did a poo-poo. Meron kaming poop scooper dito na binili ni Daddy Mike the other day.
I want to clean.
You wanna clean? Come. Come. Who did a poo-poo, Louis? Who did a poo-poo? Come, come, let's clean your poo-poo. Boy. Yeah. Buti na lang yung poo-poo nito ay ano lang, maliit lang. Maliit tapos dry ba? Wash this. Ah, goodness. So, may mga nagsabi nga sa inyo, guys, nung kinuha namin si Luina. Ay, naku, Mami Jovi. Like, dagdag trabaho yan sa'yo. And it's so true. Like, talagang dagdag responsibilidad. Kasi, if you're gonna think, it's like having another, aalagaan. As always, guys, kahit naman with the kids, I'm just very happy kasi Daddy Mike is very hands-on. So, alam na niya na, I was not very, like, 110% nung sinabi nila na, they'll get puppy for the family. Daddy does most. Yung pagpapakain, yung mga wiwi niya, ganyan, pag-training, everything. Most of that, si Daddy yung gumagawa. So, we've had him for, 1 week today. So, in that 1 week, guys, obviously, na-build na yung relationship ko with Louie. And, kasi parang tao din, guys, eh. Like, nakakaintindi, very smart. And, super cute naman. Tingnan nyo. Sino ba namang hindi dyan? But, hindi mo talaga maikakaila na dagdag responsibilidad talaga, guys, na magkaroon ng puppy.
You wanna play my bike?
Yeah, move there, cool him.
He's sad.
Yeah, that way. Go, call him. Kahit nga sa baby Celine, guys, ayan nakita niyo siya before, umiiyak siya, hindi siya nagpapakarga siya palagi kasi natatakot siya kay Louie. But now, look, it's like, come Louie, let's play together. Good boy, sinasabihan niya ng good boy.
Louie here. Louie, come. Here, Louie.
Look, go follow Ate. Follow Ate Celine. Look. Kaya nga, nabasa ko somewhere before, guys, nasasabi nila na you can't imagine living with one, but after having them, you can't imagine living without one. So, parang yun yung nangyayari ngayon, guys. Because before, sabi ko, I don't think, like, I can do it with puppies and that, but now that we have
Come
him,
here.
it's, like, it's different. Like, he's part of the family now. Aren't you, Louie? You part of the family now? Natututunan mo silang mahalin. Kasi alam nyo na-prove ko kanina. Kasi, di ba sabi ko, di ba dinrap namin sa Ate Paris sa school. Tapos, nung pag-close ko ng door, parang narinig ko siya, parang umiiyak ba, naalis kami. So, nasa labas na kami, Talagang pumasok pa ako ulit, guys, para bigyan siya ng treat. Sabi ko sa kanya, welcome home soon. Be a good boy, okay?
You're the good
So,
boy.
bigay sa kanyang treat, and he seems to be happy. And parang magaan yung pakiramdam ko na aalis ng bahay kasi I know he was happy. Kasi at first, nung narinig ko na umiyak siya, hindi parang okay na aalis ako. Kaya kahit na-close ko na ang door, hey, Louie, na-close ko na ang door, talagang bumalik pa talaga si mami niyo. Running! Tingnan niyo, Lala, marunong na talaga. Come lang. Stay there. Stay there, Louie.
Mommy,
Yes.
I open.
Yes, stay there. You have to stay there, boy. Kasi marunong siyang umakyat, guys. Pero, hindi siya marunong bumaba. Stay there. Good boy. Such a good boy, Louie. Good boy. Minsan kasi, pumupunta ko siya sa itaas kasi meron pang isang palapag dyan eh. But, so good. Stay there. Oh, he knows the door na. Yeah, Louie. Home, we're home. This way. Oh, so smart. Come on. Good boy. Where's Lenny going?
I wasn't want to ride bike.
Then we'll go. Where are we going first?
Doggy.
Doggy?
This doggy too.
Where are we going first? Where are we going now?
School Ati.
Let's go, Ate. Pick up Ate, eh?
Pick up Papa. Oh, I can't. You
Hey, we're home. Ate is home. Hold him lang. Hold him lang. Yeah, Ate sitting there too.
Dude, no biting my feet. You guys
Ah,
biting.
kakauwi lang namin, guys. Picked up Ate Paris from school and baby still fell asleep sa sasakyan. So next time muna kami sa sasakyan for a bit. Ah, the house smells good because I have this. Diffuser. It's my favorite thing in the world. Nilagay ko yung rainforest ata na scent. It smells so freaking good.
My hair.
Louie!
He looks like